Good morning, students. I am here with you to explain displacement, double displacement, oxidation reduction, or in short, redox reaction. At first, I will explain displacement reaction. But before describing it, I would like to say you that you learn first activity series or reactivity series. In this series, metals are arranged in a vertical column in the order of their decreasing reactivity. In this series, potassium is most reactive metal and gold is the least reactive metal. So all of you first learn activity series. Up next we come to our topic displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, a more reactive element or metal displaces less reactive element or metal from the compound of their aqueous solution. For example, if we take an iron nail and place it in copper sulfate solution, the copper sulfate solution is, you see, it is blue in color, and if we put iron nail in it, after the reaction, all of you see the color of the solution will be changed to pale green. In this reaction, iron is more reactive than copper. Therefore, iron displaces copper from the solution of copper sulfate and iron sulfate is formed, and due to the formation of iron sulfate, the color of solution will be changed. And other examples of displacement reactions are also given. Zinc plus copper sulfate solution. Here zinc sulfate and copper is formed. In this reaction, zinc is more reactive than copper. Therefore, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate solution, and in product zinc sulfate and copper is formed. And the other reaction is double displacement, or next one is double displacement reaction. In double displacement reaction, exchange of ions take place between the two reactants. For example, if we take sodium sulfate solution in one test tube and barium chloride solution in another test tube, in this reaction, sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution are reactant and both are colorless solution. As we mix both solutions, they exchange their ions, and in product, insoluble barium sulfate or white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed along with aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So you write reaction sodium sulfate aqueous plus barium chloride aqueous gives barium sulfate in bracket you write solid plus NaCl aqueous. So in this reaction, all of you see कि exchange of ions take place between the two reactants means sodium sulfate and barium chloride. And the next type is oxidation and reduction reaction or redox reaction. Before describing this, first you try to understand the term oxidation and reduction. First, oxidation. Oxidation means gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. And if a substance gain oxygen or lose hydrogen during reaction, it is oxidized. And if a substance loses oxygen or gain hydrogen during a reaction, it is reduced. For example, if you take heated copper oxide and hydrogen gas is passed over this, the black coating on the surface turns brown due to the formation of copper. In this reaction, hydrogen gets oxidized because it gained oxygen, while copper oxide means CuO gets reduced because it loses oxygen, and this reaction is an example of oxidation and reduction reaction or redox reactions. In this reaction, copper oxide is oxidizing agent and gets reduced. Copper oxide is oxidizing agent because it provides oxygen to hydrogen, and hydrogen is reducing agent because it takes oxygen from CuO means copper oxide. So all of you remember, oxidizing agent always get reduced and reducing agent always get oxidized. So you once repeat, redox reaction means the chemical reactions in which both oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously is known as oxidation and reduction reaction or redox reaction. At last, I have given some questions and you will try to solve it. You subscribe the video, and if you have any queries, you write in our comment box. Thank you.